Ready to boost your YouTube game? Here's how to create content that stands out. First up, know your audience. What do they care about? What problems can you solve for them? Understanding this helps you create videos they want to watch. Next, plan your content. Write a script or outline to keep your video on track. This makes sure you hit all the important points without wandering off topic. Quality matters. Use good lighting and clear audio. You don't need fancy equipment. Natural light and a quiet room can work wonders. Engage your viewers. Ask questions, encourage comments, and respond to them. This builds community and keeps people coming back. Finally, be consistent. Upload regularly so your audience knows when to expect new videos. Consistency builds trust and keeps your channel growing. There you have it. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to creating YouTube content that's valuable and engaging. Happy filming!